name is Kalani. I'm the Director of Building and Facility Maintenance for Kapalua Troon Golf. We are located in Kapalua, Maui. The property is just beautiful. You don't have areas too much like this.
My name is Noah Peppa. I work out here at Troon Golf, Kapalua. I work under the facility maintenance in the landscaping department. People come to Kapalua, Hawaii, and Kapalua, it is a unique, special place. You just have to come here and experience it.
Currently, the terrain in Kapalua is very windy, rainy. It's a lot of wet areas, hilly, kind of dealing with Mother Nature. So some of the areas that we maintain are kind of difficult due to terrain. It's usually wet, rainy, and slopes are pretty steep. A small machine, as you can see, it's very easy for us to maneuver around a lot of things without doing a lot of damage. When we bring in the bigger machines, we end up doing a lot of damage. So the Ventrac is very versatile. You know, it really helps us out in a lot of areas. As a manager, it gives us the ability to address other areas and at the same time be more efficient on how we utilize our labor.
I've been working here almost 14 years now, and I've had my share of time of operating different types of equipment. And the Ventrac, it's awesome.
The thing that really surprised me was the versatility and the different applications that could be put on.
When I operate the Ventrac, I think of stability because everything is controlled with your hands. So, basically everything is in your hands. It's like the comfort of it, the stability of it, and the versatility of it.
So the tough cut, we use that mainly on sediment basins that we maintain. They're very hard to get to places, and the brush that we cut is pretty high. So it gets in there really easily. Stability-wise, it's awesome.
We have areas along the highway that we have to take care of just so it opens up the view for the golf resort. And we also have areas, in the bush that we have to maintain for other departments as well. The contour mower, when it comes to slope mowing in our common areas, I used to send my guys out with string trimmers, and with the contour mower, it saves me a lot of time. Being that the deck is pretty wide, it's way faster.
Stump Grinder is a really big part in our operation. We have a lot of trees that we have to maintain, take down due to some issues. So some of the trees that we take down are on slopes instead of contracting out areas that some of the contractors have a hard time to grind the stumps. So we can do that a lot faster and a lot cheaper than what they can. In reality, it is a big plus for us on the contract side.
So here we had a little stump here that I just ground down with the Stump Grinder. It was quite challenging, but Ventrac proved itself what it can do.
The cost savings on us, what we see, we're able to really utilize the one machine for specific areas. So it cuts our cost of buying more machines than needed and also lowers our labor costs doing things by hand.
everybody wants to come to Hawaii and see the beauty of it. So it's part of our job to kind of keep it that way.